Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up a shipping profile. By setting rules based on the weight or price of your products, you can ensure accurate shipping cost and avoid overcharging or undercharging your customers. To set up a shipping profile, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Settings tab in the bottom left corner here. Now, navigate to the Shipping and Delivery and click on the Create New Profile button here. Now, give your profile a name such as Standard Shipping. Next, select the products you want to include in this profile by clicking on the Add Products tab here and choose the products. For example, I'm selecting all the products here and then click on this Done button here. Now, create a shipping zone by clicking on Add Shipping Zone here and selecting the countries or region you ship to. For example, if you only ship to USA, just give it a name as USA and select the United States zone. Now, if you want to add more countries or region to this, just click on this link and add more countries. Once done, just click on this Done button here. Next, you need to set up your shipping rates by clicking on Add Rate tab here. This is where you decide how much to charge based on either the weight or cost of the order. For example, let's say your store offers free shipping on order over $50. So give the rate name as free shipping. Next, enter the price as 0 since it's free. And then click on the add condition to create a specific rule for this rate. For a price-based example, choose the based on order price here and enter the $50 as minimum price. This ensures that rate is only applied to order over $50. And then click on this Done button here. Now, if we want to do a weight-based shipping rate, the steps would be the exact same, except you would choose based on the order weight and enter the rule based on the weight of the product being shipped. So just click on the add rate again. Now, for example, let's charge $15 for orders between 1 to 5 pounds. So let's give it a name as Standard Shipping. Then enter the price as 15 and we need to set the minimum weight, that is 1, and the maximum weight to 5. Now click on this Done button here. Once you have set up your shipping rates, save your shipping profile by clicking on this Save button here. And it's ready to use in your store. That's all for the shipping profile. Thank you for watching.